Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Marcus. Today we are going to be going over ticker CRM, Salesforce. It's the world's leading cloud software company built around one core idea: help businesses manage their customers better. They started with CRM, customer relationship management, helping companies track leads, close sales, and handle support all in one place. But now Salesforce is so much more. They own tools like Slack, Tableau, and are pushing hard into AI with Einstein and Agentforce, AI co-pilots that automate sales and marketing services. They generate over 35 billion a year, have 30% free cash flow margins, and are buying back billions in stock. In short, Salesforce builds the software that runs business relationships, and now they're upgrading it with AI. Salesforce is currently sitting at a very notable support zone around 245, just crossing over the A50 and trying to push back above EMA 100. It is still in a buy zone for me between 245 and 255. I find a solid buy zone. It has just released Agentforce 360 and has partnered with OpenAI. Earnings are coming around November 27, 28, and has had significant volume on green days and low volume on red days, indicating a good price structure and bullish sentiment. If we take a peek at the chart, Agentforce typically delivers good news and good price action for CRM, having some of its largest updates weeks following new Agentforce announcements and investments. We now have a 15 billion plus AI specific investment and has a complete moat around sales as well as branching outward. Its lowest valuation compared to peers, Microsoft, Oracle, ServiceNow, and so on, with its EV around 11.5, whereas Microsoft, Oracle, ServiceNow are all more than double that. Risk reward for me is 3 to 1 compared to peers, where you're seeing closer to 1.5 to 2 to 1 if you are lucky. And besides the general market breakdown between January and April, CRM has performed extremely well with announcements into 2030 looking for 60 billion in revenue per year. I think CRM is one of the best picks in the software space, and I have a target of 295 and then a second target of 305 to fill a small minor gap. Growth is roughly 14% per year and has a lot of room for more. So here's the bottom line on Salesforce. Right now the stock trades around 255, down roughly 30% this year, but the fundamentals stronger than ever. They're guiding for about $7 earnings per share next year. That's up nearly 14% year over year, and revenue is still growing around 8 to 9% annually. At just 11 times forward free cash flow, Salesforce is achieved as been in a decade. Meanwhile, they're buying back $7 billion in stock, and their new AI engine Agentforce could add a $1 billion runway for 2027. Analysts are targeting between 330 and 340 on average, and then 12 months range, with bull cases pushing around 400, and that's around 40% upside from here. So when you combine strong earnings growth, real AI adoption, and deep value pricing, you get one of the cleanest setups in tech right now, in my opinion. It's not broken at all, it's just mispriced, and I'm calling it CRM to 295 to 305 are my targets for IMA, specifically trading with swings. So that is my quick dive into CRM Salesforce and why I am bullish on this company. We're going to be going over some other tickers shortly, as I do have a few positions I would like to bring on to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, we need to do an update on JD.com, still liking that, and a few others, as well as some deep dives into some option specific trading and possibly some futures. So thank you guys for watching. This is CRM. Do your own due diligence, but I personally like this stock, and compared to others, I think it's one of the most tradable stocks currently.